Hello everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to delete WhatsApp account. So without any further ado, let's get started. First, open WhatsApp. Now click on the three vertical dots in the top right corner. Tap on the settings option. Here you can see the account option. Click on it. Then go to delete account option. Here you'll have to enter your phone number and then tap on the delete account option. And that is how you can delete WhatsApp account. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.